I'm your Sunny trainer, Lindsay, and I'd like to share with you how you can experience rowing like never before with the Smart Water Rowing Machine from Sunny Health and Fitness. Feel the natural resistance of real water engineered into a sleek, space-saving build. With its innovative under-tank design and upright storage, this smart rower is crafted to fit seamlessly into modern homes without ever compromising on performance. Rowing offers a rare combination of cardiovascular conditioning and muscular engagement, making it one of the most efficient workouts available. From a cardiovascular perspective, the continuous rhythmic motion of rowing elevates heart rate and sustains it over time, which strengthens the heart muscle, improves circulation, and enhances lung capacity. This translates into better endurance, more efficient oxygen use, and long-term benefits for overall heart health. Each stroke recruits the legs and glutes to drive power, the core to stabilize and transfer energy, and the back, shoulders, and arms to complete the pull. This coordinated effort engages nearly 85% of the body's muscles, creating a balanced workout that builds strength while improving coordination and posture. Adding to the physical benefits is the sensory experience. The sound of water moving inside the tank. This natural, soothing rhythm mimics the feel of rowing on open water, helping users find a meditative flow. For many, this auditory feedback transforms the workouts into something more immersive and calming, making it easier to sustain longer sessions and stay consistent. This rower is precision engineered for comfort and stability. Its balanced dual-track design keeps every stroke aligned and smooth, while the narrower spacing prevents calf contact for a more natural motion. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, it supports up to 300 pounds, giving you rock-solid stability and long-lasting durability. And when it comes to comfort, we thought of everything: a thick padded seat, pivoting foot pedals, and a 4-bend handle that reduces wrist strain, so every stroke feels effortless. Pair your rower with the SunnyFit app and explore scenic routes, track real-time metrics, join trainer-led sessions, and receive AI-generated personalized plans tailored to your body index. Stay on top of your progress with the Advanced Performance Monitor. It tracks all the key metrics serious rowers rely on: total time, strokes per minute, distance, stroke count, calories, pulse, and even your split time per 500 meters. This is pro-level monitoring designed to help you train smarter. Now let's get started. So let's start with proper rowing form first. Make sure your feet are strapped in securely, but not too tight. Now sit up tall, engage your core, and relax your shoulders. Slide forward until your shins are vertical. Keep your arms straight and hold the handle with a light grip. Lean slightly forward from your hips without rounding your back. This is your starting position. From here, drive through your legs. First, big push, then lean back just a little. And finish by pulling the handle to your lower ribs. Keep your wrists flat and elbows close. At the end, your legs are straight, torso slightly back, and shoulders relaxed. Now for the recovery. Just reverse the sequence. Arms go forward, hinge at the hips, then bend your knees to glide back to the start. Keep it smooth and controlled. Think legs, body, arms on the drive, and arms, body, legs on the way back. And don't forget to breathe. Exhale as you drive, inhale as you recover. This smart rower flips upright easily after your workout for easy storage. Simply pick up the unit and roll it effortlessly with convenient built-in transport wheels. Store it upright for a space-saving solution. Don't wait. Experience the ultimate rowing workout today. As always, Sunny offers a satisfaction guarantee with every product and unwavering support from our friendly customer service team. Reach out to us for continued support throughout your fitness journey.